Today I will teach you how to create text and change its parameters, such as font, size, rotation, and positioning. To create a text, you need to select the ABC tool, and click the T icon. After that, you will see the text created by default. Let's click OK and see what we got. Great, now we have the text. I want to change it. For this I will choose the pencil icon for editing. In the edit box, I'll enter a new text and see what happened. Great, now we have a new text and I can move it to any position. Okay, now let's add another line in our text. And again click on the pencil icon and do it. Super, and now let's turn our text and use ready-made tools for this. In the right part of the editor you can see all the necessary tools. They allow you to quickly change the position of the text. It's very simple. Let's look at the result. Let's apply the flip tool to this text. Let's apply it again and make the text in the right direction. There's also a negative tool and we can change the colors and our text will become white and the background black. Let's do everything as it was. Now I want to show you how to change the font and its size. You probably noticed the icon A. You may notice a lot of fonts. When choosing a new one you can see its preview on the right. Let's choose this one and change its size. Okay, now let's look at the result. Very good, but now I need to remove a large gap between the lines and there is a tool for this. To do this, use line spacing. Super! Now you know how the text tool works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, we still have a lot of interesting things.